Around 66 million years ago, a cosmic assassin hurtled toward Earth, a massive asteroid 6 miles wide, destined to rewrite the story of life itself. Hurtling at a staggering 45,000 miles per hour, this celestial missile collided with the Yucatan Peninsula in present-day Mexico, unleashing a force equivalent to 100 trillion tons of TNT. The sheer magnitude of the impact ignited wildfires that consumed continents, sent towering tsunamis crashing across oceans, and plunged the world into darkness as a dense cloud of dust and debris enveloped the skies. Sunlight vanished for months, plunging Earth into an apocalyptic winter. Temperatures plummeted, ecosystems collapsed, and a devastating chain reaction began. This event wiped out 75% of all species, including the mighty dinosaurs, whose reign over Earth was abruptly and violently ended. But while destruction ruled the day, the seeds of a new future were quietly taking root amidst the chaos. Imagine standing on a prehistoric shore as the asteroid entered the atmosphere at a blistering angle. The sky ignited with the fiery glow of its descent, followed by an explosion so powerful it dwarfed any human-made weapon. A crater over 100 miles wide was gouged into the planet, marking ground zero for unimaginable devastation. The impact didn't just scorch the Earth, it awakened it. Shockwaves rippled through the crust, triggering volcanic eruptions in the Deccan Traps of what is now India. These eruptions spewed sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, creating acid rain that poisoned the land and further cooled the planet. As wildfires raged and the oceans churned, life faced its ultimate trial. In the wake of this cataclysm, survival seemed impossible. Yet, amidst the ashes of the old world, a handful of resilient species endured. Cold-blooded crocodiles thrived in the cooler climate, while small mammals, like early rodents and marsupials, burrowed underground to escape the harsh conditions. Their adaptability was their salvation. A varied diet and a knack for sheltering from the extremes allowed them to persist. These survivors became the architects of a new Earth. Over millions of years, their descendants diversified, giving rise to mammals that would one day include humanity itself. The extinction of the dinosaurs was not the end of life's story, but the beginning of a new chapter, one driven by resilience, adaptation, and transformation. Now imagine if such an asteroid struck in modern times. Entire cities would be obliterated in seconds, leaving millions dead and countless others scrambling for survival. Coastal regions would be ravaged by tsunamis, while earthquakes would ripple across the globe. The skies would darken as sunlight was blocked, plunging the world into a chilling twilight. Agriculture would collapse, food supplies would dwindle, and humanity would face a crisis of unprecedented scale. But unlike our prehistoric ancestors, we have tools and strategies to fight back. Underground bunkers and fallout shelters could offer refuge from the initial devastation. Vertical farming and hydroponics could provide sustenance when traditional agriculture fails. Yet these solutions would only be effective if humanity were united in its preparation, a sobering challenge in a world often divided by politics and priorities. Fortunately, science is on our side. NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART, marked a breakthrough in planetary defense, successfully altering the trajectory of an asteroid in 2022. This historic mission proved that humanity has the potential to deflect future threats, though larger asteroids pose greater challenges. Innovations like gravity tractors and nuclear deflection are under development, aiming to give humanity a fighting chance against cosmic hazards. But technology alone won't save us. Global cooperation, investment in research, and a proactive approach to planetary defense are essential to safeguarding Earth's future. The asteroid impact 66 million years ago was both a catastrophic ending and an extraordinary beginning. It reminds us of the fragility of life and the power of resilience. The same cosmic event that wiped out the dinosaurs paved the way for the rise of mammals and, ultimately, humans. As we look to the skies with a mix of wonder and caution, we must remember the lessons of the past. By understanding the forces that shaped our world, we can prepare for the threats that lie ahead and ensure that life's story continues, no matter what challenges the cosmos might bring. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of our planet's most dramatic moments and explore what they mean for humanity's future. Together, we can learn, prepare, and persevere in the face of the ultimate cosmic challenge.